Sup, bro chachos. Now, in today's video, we're going to be spending a little bit more time on Miguel's interior. Since we've pretty much restored the entire thing, now we need to start upgrading stuff. The first thing is, Miguel's Mini didn't come with seats because, well, the dealership forgot to disclose that to us before selling us the vehicle. I guess it's on us for not going to inspect it and buying it sight unseen. But they could have been honest. So we purchased some seats from eBay and Miguel's going to restore them. Then we're going to get him back into his Mini Cooper so he could have a 4-seater because Miguel also wants to get friends rides, and it's no fun when you, well, actually it's kind of illegal to stack.
Yeah, then who does that?
The other thing we need to do is we need to install his short shifter kit from Craven Speed. And that's like the best in the biz. So that's going to be super nice because we feel like it's going to give us a really nice vintage vibe on the inside, at least with the setup that we went with. We also have a e-brake lever from them as well, which is going to really tie in the stainless steel old vintage vibes on the inside for us. And then I'm sure as many of you have already seen from our previous video, I made a oopsie and disclosed to Miguel that I bought him a carbon fiber leather perforated steering wheel. And that's going to be nice because I feel like that's going to add in that little bit of modernness into it. And I think that's it.
If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you can stay up to date with all of our posts.
With that being said, amigos, that's the way we like to say it in Hispanic. Go ahead and roll the intro.
So the first thing that we're going to be getting done is cleaning up the seats. Hopefully this isn't too difficult of a job because I'm really worried that like we're going to clean it, or that we're going to go to clean it and it's just going to be like tons and tons of cleaning. Yeah. And I'm hoping there's like no like leftover stains or anything like that.
So let's go ahead and jump to that. We'll hit that up real quick and then we'll go from there. So the rear seats are done. The rear one is in now and it came out really nice. We went ahead and cleaned everything up before putting it in, meaning the whole bottom area. The other thing though is we're missing some more parts that the previous owner removed from the Mini. So we went ahead and ordered those.
Brand new.
So Miguel's restoration continues to suck money from us that we weren't planning on spending on, but it's coming out really good. And then the top portions, that's the one that we're missing the brackets for, but these things came out looking
mad clean. I mean, like,
you killed it, dude. You did a really good job.
Can I say?
You're like a master cleaner.
Basically. I mean, I'm great at fishing, maybe even a masturbator.
Now, we have to get to the short shifter kit and the e-brake. And this stuff looks really nice. Also, the short shifter kit from Craven Speed comes with the solid bushings. So this is really nice because now it's going to have a a better solid feel. And we went ahead and picked up this as well, which is going to give us a very vintage vibe there. And it's going to allow this rod to stick up and be visible, which is really the look that we're going for. Our shift knob. That thing is so nice. I know this is look, and then that's going to be exposed too. So this is going to be pretty sweet. And then we have the e-brake, which is in stainless. And we haven't decided yet if we're going to put the bands on this thing. I mean, we might, but let's see. We'll keep thinking about that one. But wait, there's more. Then we have the custom steering wheel that I got Miguel. And actually, Miguel, can you undo that for me?
Of course I can.
Thank you, señorito. That's what we like to call it in Hispanic. So we went with the red stripe, carbon fiber, flat bottom We also went with the leather and perforated leather. I actually surprised Miguel with this. He had no freaking idea. Did you have any inkling that I was going to do this for you?
I didn't. I thought you were just going to keep the old wheel. Like, you didn't have any mention of it.
Yeah, that is true. And I also bought this and brand new for him as well too, this bottom piece, because the previous owner decided to paint that black like a demo, which is what we like to call it in Hispanic. Why did he do that?
I don't know.
But really dumb thing to do. So let's go ahead and do the short shifter. Then we'll do the wheel. Let's do it, amigos.
Now that we got the factory wheel off, let's go ahead and put on the new wheel from outmotoring.com.
Ready?
Now you're going to want to torque it down to factory spec.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
That was the most
I did it.
dyslexic removal ever.
No, I was like,
bruh,
I was
what
like,
was that?
And I was like, wait, how are we going to get this off?
What?
And then I forgot I was stretching. And I was like, wait,
What was that? Why are you built like that,
I
bruh?
forgot that that's how.
Oh my God. Hey, what do you think?
Thing looks mad smooth. Look at that.
Right?
Oh my Lord.
Dude, that like completely changed the game on that interior.
Mm-hmm.
Thing looks fresh.
Heck yeah.
Well, amigos, the Mini is up on the race ramps. We love these things, by the way. Make sure that if you're interested in picking one of these up, use discount code Bertini and you'll save yourself a bunch of money on these things. And they're amazing. We love these. We have I think these are the 12-inch blocks for the front. We have the 12-inch blocks for the rear. For this job, we don't need them because we have plenty of space to get to the exhaust system to take out the exhaust. Now, the new exhaust system did come in from Scorpion Power, as well as the bigger turbo intake manifold and charge pipe from JMTC Performance, but we're not going to be doing this in this video. So now all we got to do is remove the factory exhaust and take this assembly out. Which, by the way, this thing is in fantastic condition. It is absolutely immaculate, which is really nice. I don't know what we're going to do with it afterwards, but yeah, I'm excited to do the exhaust system on this thing. Just not yet. We got to wait, people. We got to wait. So, as you see, the shifter assembly is out of Miguel's car. Miguel, tell me that was not a big job.
What it looks like right now? Not a big job at all. We only had to lift up the car, drop the exhaust. Something light. It took maybe like a few seconds at most.
So now we're going to have to get the factory shifter out of here. So one thing about this kit is, because we're going to have it on its lowest setting, when you drop this to its lowest setting, it hits this every single time. So they make this kit, they used to sell this kit as a full piece, but they make this kit, which basically we cut out the whole bottom portion of this plate right here, and then we mount, ooh, this is nice, it's nice and powder coated. We then mount it here and drill it into this. This way, there's more space under here, because what happens is a lot of people they're just cutting this off, or sorry, not cutting it off, but taking it out completely and just leaving it off. So came out with this nice kit to do that. So
so now it'll have like more space on the bottom so it doesn't hit.
So we're gonna clean this off because it looks like somebody dropped a whole lot of coffee and shit down the center console and made everything nasty and disgusting. Oh, we also picked up from Craven Speed a new bushing for here. This one is supposed to be much tighter than the factory one that's in here, even if you get a brand new one. Supposedly, this is the best, amigos. We'll get this one installed, and this is supposed to reduce any and all play in the shifter. So this is going to be the tightest freaking shifted Mini Cooper. And then we have solid bushings, which will replace these rubber ones. This thing's going to be crazy. We're going to get this cleaned up and get the new one installed. Let's do it, Miguel. The old broken one, nasty, corroded, the inside, it's all jacked up and broken. And the brand new OEM one, which is nice and clean and looks good. Let's go ahead and get this in the Mini. Well, bro chachos, Miguel's Mini's done. Everything is back together. Now, we just need to go and take it out for a test drive.
Yes, we do.
So, let's hop in Miguel's Mini Cooper. Vámonos. This thing sounds so good.
It's really, really nice.
Man, and the shifter came out so good.
I even as we got into the car, I just felt nice to just touch it. That
Right?
sounds weird. It felt easier. Like
The e-brake, like everything looks good.
yeah,
I just realized I was doing like crotch shots on us. That was kind of weird.
But like
But let's just long walks.
it was everything's just what is it more easy to access. That's what it is.
Yeah, and the steering wheel looks really good too.
I like the grip on it. It's cool. It feels like it doesn't slide as much.
Yeah, damn, you look so cool right now.
Right.
Ladies, actually, why did I say ladies? Men.
I only go 50 or older.
Yeah, 50 or older men. So, what do you think of the short shifter?
It's definitely nicer. It feels like more solid with the shifting. Like what was the thing that we added? It was
Like the shifter bushings?
yeah, that was really nice. It feels like I feel more locked in with it, you know?
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
It seems like it's really sticking.
Yeah, it doesn't feel as loose as it was before. Which I thought it was gonna be like worrying. Like it was gonna be more difficult to get it into the gear.
Uh-huh.
But not at all. Like super solid.
And what about the steering wheel? Man, the steering...
Is like insane.
I just realized the back seats are in now, too. We didn't have the back seats in before it came out. Nice.
They did. It came out really nice. And now I can drive my friends.
I'll pull up over there. I want to take it. I want to try it out myself and see how it feels.
See what kind of amateur driving we get.
Ooh, this thing scoots. Man, little mini of your scoots.
Just a little.
Man, we still got to throw on that exhaust and that big turbo. But the shifter feels really solid, and also, too, you're right about the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels like you're much more, like, planted.
Yeah.
Locked in. Any other really strong word. These changes made a big difference. Obviously, the seating is really nice, too, because now you can take your friends in it. But, man, the shifter, and I feel like the steering wheel, dramatic differences, like, super, super smooth. This is really nice. Let me get one more pull in it. That is nice.
I love the sound. Yeah.
That is nice. Man, I can't wait to put in the turbo from JMTC turbos. That's going to be really nice. And the exhaust system from Scorpion Power.
Yeah.
But yeah, this shifter. And one thing to note, we didn't put it on even like the shortest setting. I put it on more of like the medium-ish setting. I mean, obviously you have the box there in the bottom that we did.
Yeah.
If you ever want to go to the shortest setting, but for like the shortest throw, but this is perfect. Like, I feel like this is best for like daily driving it. You know, it's not overwhelmingly short and like super, super short. This is perfect. And it's also a great height now, too.
But that's surprising. I thought that was at the shortest.
No, that's not nowhere near the shortest. That's more like the middle, if anything. Well, this is nice. So, overall, what do you rate all these modifications? You happy with them?
Very happy. I'm over here looking at the GTR like it's the car. It's great.
I think you wish.
I thought of it as a Mini. I saw the wheel and it like reminded me.
Reminded you. Oh, that's true. Yeah, we have the carbon wheel in the GTR.
Yeah, but no, I really like it. I think it feels easier with the shifter.
Yeah.
And like that's obviously just more convenient, especially since I'm learning. I seem pretty good. You seem kind of amateur. But yeah, and I also like the look of it. Like not only just like the way it works, or like how it is. It looks really nice. Like just the way the carbon wheel adds like the pop, but like the shifter and the e-brake too, which I really like the e-brake because it's just solid. It's so nice.
And the seats, you killed them on the seats, man. You really got all those stains out.
Yeah, they look like brand new, which is really nice because now I won't have like super dirty seats and like I bring my friends in them and they'll be like, oh, what the heck, what are these stains? And now I can also be like, hey, don't get any stains on my seats.
Yeah. And you learn how to save a bunch of money on these modifications, being able to just buy those from eBay and save like $900 instead of buying brand new seats. You save like $900+ getting those and you restored them and they're freaking nice. And then the lighter, now you have a working lighter thing.
Oh my God, that charger is the best thing ever.
Yeah. Cool, man. I'm glad you're happy. Good job with the modifications. On that note, bro chachos, if you're interested in picking up anything that we installed in today's video, make sure to check out
outmotoring.com. Use discount code BERTINI. Don't forget about that.
Save yourself some money, bro chachos. With that being said, hopefully by now you've learned something stupid and you've been entertained by this devilishly
Handsome.
Definitely not what I was going to say.
Unfathomably beautiful.
Individual. If you have, join the Bertini fam, bro chachos. What's wrong with you players? And if you like us, click the like button. Really helps out this video reach the mundo. In Hispanic, that's the world. With that being said,
don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Wait,
we already said that one? We already said that one.
Oh.
That's the one we already just said.
Yeah. Don't forget to put good energy out in the world and pay it forward. We'll check y'all out later. Bye now.